If the organization management is performing in a very wonderful way, that is because of the employees. Why? Because the appraisal system is so good, the strength and weaknesses in employees are identified, evaluated properly, and training programs are given for below average and average employees, and the superior employees are promoted. They gain confidence, they achieve self-esteem, self-efficacy, and they are boosted up, and they work much harder to achieve higher levels in the organization. At the same time, the average and below average employees, through training, they also aspire, they are also inspired by others moving up the ladder. They are aspired, they get aspirations to increase their knowledge levels, skill levels, and competency levels, and they also work harder to move up the ladder. So that contributes to the performance of the management, which is nothing but organizational effectiveness and efficiency, and helps the organization to really face the challenges in this competitive environment. So superior performance leads to superior awards. So the performance appraisal system, the policy that frames the HR department, especially in performance appraisal system, should be directed this way. Superior, exemplary performance should lead to superior awards. How to objectively measure specific goals. That is the challenge of the appraiser. How to objectively, without doing favoritism, discrimination, how the managers should appraise the subordinate objectively. And again, definitely managers as supervisors, managers and all other people who are in the position of appraising their subordinates or employees needs training, and there are different techniques, different methods by which this could be done objectively. Main purpose of performance management is contributes to individual rewards, feedback for subordinate, recognition of superior performance. If there is no performance system, nobody knows who is a superior performer, who is capable of doing much better than what he or she does in this particular job. They may be using only a few competencies and a few skills and knowledge that the employee possesses. Maybe a few they may be using in the present job. But how do we come to know that they have the potential? He or she is capable of doing much better services to the organization. That is only through performance appraisal system. Documentation of weak performance, personal decision making, future goal commitments, all these are possible only through a very good performance appraisal system.